Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 5 Series F10 or F11 guys, and I'm talking the one with the N20 or N26 engine guys, this is the 4-cylinder gasoline 2.0 liter engine guys, and you're about to do timing chain replacement or work on your timing, head gasket replacement, anything like that guys that involves removing and installing your timing chain. We will explain what tools you need guys for the timing on your BMW. You need 3 special tools and we're going to cover all that today. Now, quick introduction guys. Make sure you stay until the end because we'll share something that can lead to a $5,000–$10,000 repair on your BMW engine. So we want to share guys that with you and how to avoid it. Make sure you stay until the end. Quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least guys 200 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy the special tools or any replacement parts, we'll have the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything from. So, now you're going to need guys 3 special tools. One of them is that big case. Okay, let me remove that tool, it doesn't come with it. That big case guys, and you have tools for finding TDC, top dead center point. This is the tool that it's the manual tensioner for the timing chain you're going to use to install your timing chain. Also guys, it comes with the tool that holds the camshafts in place and the tool that aligns the variable timing gears, okay, the camshaft gears as well, also known as Vanus gears. So that's one of the tools. Now you're going to need a second tool guys, okay, this one here too, and make sure you stay until the end. I want to share something else too. That tool guys, okay, you will need to use that tool to hold the flywheel. Okay, it's a flywheel holder too guys, so you can go ahead and actually get the crankshaft bolt loose and later tighten it as well. And that crankshaft bolt loose, you have to get it loose, you have to follow a special procedure, set the timing and all that stuff, use the timing tools, otherwise you can jump the timing and ruin your engine. Third guys, you're going to need another special tool. Okay, and whether you're replacing the timing chain for the oil pump or not, you will need that tool. This is the tool to remove the sprocket and the chain for the oil pump shaft, but you also need that tool for the there is a special procedure to align the counterbalance shaft guys, so that is there as well. That's on the channel, how to do everything, and we'll have a complete video from start to finish that explains how to remove and replace timing chain. That I'll recommend guys to check it out. Ours failed only at 87,000 miles. Hopefully we didn't ruin the engine. It jumped only 3 teeth in a direction that it shouldn't hurt the engine. So the whole video guys, it's on the channel from start to finish, how to remove and replace timing chain on that BMW, that engine guys. Some of them are affected, having defective timing chain components. I read on the forums, we talked about that more and what we found, so check out the video guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.